Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see your AMP will get a profit in last 7 days, 8.3631% get a profit now. That's really huge news, my friend, and very good news for all of you now. So congratulations, my brother, and absolutely I will give some very special information now. So I hope, my friend, you will get a very good profit after this now. My friend, AMP price will be increasing after a very huge dump. So remember this, not be, my friend. You can see here this time. You can see here every coin will not wake up, my friends, after a fails. Absolutely they will wake up. So therefore tries to understand to AMP will very badly lost in previous days. So you can see, my friend, after this very bad fails they will starting wake up and get a very good profit. So try to understand how AMP coin holder to in upcoming time. There is a absolutely a 70 to 80% chance, my friends, to price will pumps up. And remember, my brothers, to the last days of every month every coin will get a profit. So therefore AMP coin price will be increasing, my friends, because when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting investing, if it's 100%, I will give you guarantee to the price will be pumping up. And my friends, in upcoming time the CEO of AMP coin will tell this, my friends, to upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore if they will collaborate, so I hope, my friends, to AMP price the market cap has been increasing now if they are invest now. So therefore absolutely they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching, holders. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, to AMP price will be going to double, not triple. I hope, my friends. So thanks for watching. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.